Monday you come over, stay a couple days. I wonder, is it gonna last? Will you keep your promise? Honor what you said, be honest. Will you do your best? You said we're forever, that you wouldn't leave me never. But it's all a test, 'cause Friday I know better. You go out to see you later. My thoughts are running wild, spreading like a fire. I can't help but press your number dial. Call you every hour, but every call's denied. I love to hate you on the weekends. That's when you trigger ugly feelings. Wish you wouldn't give me reasons to bring out the worst in me. Ooh, I love to hate you from a distance. But when you close to me it switches. Only takes a couple kisses to bring back the best in me. Ooh. Do you play it safe or are you just a play?